Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Zephyr in Jira using the latest interface for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up Zephyr so you can upgrade your test management workflow right inside Jira. Whether you're new to plugins or just want to streamline your QA process, this walkthrough will give you confidence to get started. Let's jump right in. First up, before making any changes to your Jira workspace, make sure you're logged in as an admin. This is important. Most apps and add-ons in Jira require administrative permissions to install. If you're not an admin, you can't make these critical updates. So confirm with your team if you're unsure, then log in using your admin credentials. Once you're in, look at the main navigation bar running along the top. This is your starting point. You'll want to click on Apps. Sometimes it might just say Manage Apps, depending on your Jira setup, but usually it's right there as Apps. This is essentially your gateway to expanding Jira's functionality. After you click, there'll be a drop-down or a sidebar. Just find and select Explore More Apps. Think of this as the App Store for Jira, where all kinds of helpful tools are waiting to be discovered. Now, in the Marketplace, you'll see a search field or a list of featured apps. To quickly locate Zephyr, just type Zephyr into the search bar. Zephyr is known for bringing robust test management right into Jira, making manual and automated testing much smoother. Once you see the Zephyr app appear in the results, take a moment to check that it's the official app from SmartBear. This quick check avoids confusion with similarly named plugins. Ready to try it out? Click on Try It Free. This is great because you can pilot Zephyr at no cost, see how it meshes with your team's workflow, and you only need to commit when you're sure it's the right fit. The installation might take a few moments while Jira adds everything behind the scenes. Don't worry if you see a loading spinner or if Jira asks you to confirm a few settings. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set. Once Zephyr is installed, it's time to see it in action. Head over to a specific project where you want to start using Zephyr. This part is crucial. Zephyr integrates at the project level, so you get tailored test management for each initiative. Navigate to your project from the Jira dashboard. On the project's left-hand side panel, you'll notice a brand new section or icon for Zephyr. That's your entry point. Click into Zephyr, and you'll find options for creating test cycles, managing executions, and linking your tests to issues. If you've used Jira before, the Zephyr panel will feel familiar and intuitive. The designers really made it fit right in. If at any point the Zephyr section doesn't show up, give Jira a refresh or double-check that you're in the right project. Sometimes permissions or project settings can delay things, but don't stress. It's usually a minor tweak away. And that's it. You've installed Zephyr in Jira and are ready to start leveling up your test management directly within your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to hit that like button. It helps the channel a ton. Drop any questions down in the comments. I always check and reply if you're stuck or curious about more tips. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy testing.